Thank you, President Ford. This is an exciting day. We are so thankful for our companies for being here, taking time out of busy schedules to come and help us recognize our students. We are appreciative of parents and family members and friends being here as well. We're super proud of our students. This is a competitive program. This program has been in existence for 8 years now, and it's gotten more and more competitive every year. Not every student is selected. So students, be proud of yourselves and this wonderful opportunity that's being placed before you. And parents, I hope you're proud as well. We want to take time to recognize each student, each company, and students, if you'll come forward as I call your names, multiple students at companies, if you'll all come together at once, we'll do one at a time and then a group photo. And as you come forward, we'll sign at the table and then take a photo. So the 2025 Tiger Apprenticeship class. Paul Owen, he's in the Heating and Air Conditioning Technology program. From New Albany, he's been selected to apprentice with Swinney's Air Conditioning and Heating here at Boonville. Mr. Swinney could be here, but Mr. Russ Bullard is the instructor for the Heating and Air Conditioning program, and he's glad to sit in and recognize Paul and his great knowledge. I'd like to point out that this is a wonderful partnership we have with Accelerate Mississippi, providing the funding for this program. Also with Free Rivers Planning and Development District, they help us with this program as well. We couldn't do the program without Accelerate and Free Rivers helping us along the way. It's a great opportunity. Again, we're in our 8th year. We're just super proud of our students. We're especially thankful for our companies for investing in Northeast, our programs, and our students.